चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल बोलो जुबान केसरी।
And there's big breaking news coming in from Delhi, apparently and ironically from Aam Aadmi Party that has won no seats in the capital. Gopal Rai now says that the alliance with Indy was only for Lok Sabha elections. Further adds there is no alliance for assembly elections. This means the Aam Aadmi Party will be fighting solo in the assembly polls, which are going to be there in the end of January 2025. I'm going to try and go across to our colleagues on that, but first let's listen in to a reaction.
देखिए, अलायंस पहले से ये बहुत साफ है कि ये अलायंस लोकसभा चुनाव के लिए था। लोकसभा चुनाव हमने ईमानदारी से मिलकर के लड़ा है। दिल्ली जो विधानसभा का चुनाव है उसके लिए देश भर में कोई गठबंधन नहीं है और दिल्ली के अंदर दिल्ली की जनता के साथ मिलकर के हम इस लड़ाई को लड़ेंगे और जीतेंगे। देखिए, अलायंस पहले से ये बहुत साफ है कि ये अलायंस लोकसभा चुनाव के लिए था। लोकसभा चुनाव हमने ईमानदारी से मिलकर के लड़ा है। दिल्ली जो विधानसभा का चुनाव है उसके लिए देश भर में कोई गठबंधन नहीं है और दिल्ली के अंदर दिल्ली की जनता के साथ मिलकर के हम इस लड़ाई को लड़ेंगे और जीतेंगे।
Let me also go across to Soumya joining us live on the story. Soumya, it's very clear that the disenchantment in the Indy bloc has already begun. Aam Aadmi Party is now coming out and saying the assembly elections will be fought by them alone. It clearly shows disillusionment, disenchantment with the Indy alliance that they had been a part of.
Yes, if we go back in the time when this talk of formation of this India alliance also came into the scenario, there was this narrative always set out that all these parties, those who are part of India alliance, they're coming together just to defeat the India alliance in the Lok Sabha elections. Because if you go through Gopal Rai's statement clearly, he started with that AAP has taken its defeat in the general elections very positively, further confirming that the alliance is only limited to the general elections and not the assembly elections. Because even if we talk about this, when there was this whole discussion much before the election dates were also announced, there was too much infighting on seat sharing. There was constant stiff going on between Congress and Arvind Kejriwal over seat sharing during about the seat sharing even in general elections. So it's very clear that this was only limited to the general elections and not the assembly elections. Back to you.
Absolutely. Thank you for that. We're going to see how that really pans out for them.